Hello and welcome to Springboard Media's ActivTips. I'm Amanda Urbanzik. Today we're going to take a look at changing the settings in your ActivInspire. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on my main menu and choose File, Settings. Now we talked a little bit about the layout, which is for the toolbar, the commands that you see in your toolbar, creating your own user-defined buttons, and creating your own user-defined profiles. Let's take a look at the settings menu. In the settings menu, this is where you can put in all the different kinds of settings and preferences that you'd like to have in ActivInspire. For example, you can see if your clock should be analog or digital, what's going to happen in design mode versus presentation mode. If you have an ActivBoard 500, this is where you're going to go to create a profile that uses dual mode, where there's touch and pen. You can also change the Spotlight Tools color and the Reveal Tool color here under Effects. Flip Chart allows you to change the world color or the background color, the color that you see along the top and bottom or the right-hand side. Mine is gray, and you can see it over here by the Flip Chart trash can. You can also set the default page size when you open a new flip chart. And here's where you can set the default page turn effects as well. Here you can change the language that your application works in, which will change all the menus to that language. Here's all the preferences that you can see for active votes and active expressions. Here's all the settings for media, settings for your home URL. This is where you can access the different resources and exactly where they're stored. So if you ever lose something in your shared resources or your My Resources, you can click on these three dots to find it. This shows you the preferences for screen recording. This is the preferences for spell check. You can also change the color of the math tools, like the ruler and protractor right here, the text color, the tool color, and the level of transparency, or how dark they are on the page. You can change how fast the dice roller goes and how many dice are rolled and what kind of calculator you're going to use. The last one might be nice if you're going to be using text at the board, which is to automatically show the keyboard when saving files or when putting text objects on the page. You can also change how long it takes when you're using handwriting recognition before it times out. So those are some of the things that you can do in the settings in ActivInspire. Thanks for watching today's Active Tip. I hope you've enjoyed it.